Yeah, hello. My name is Ragnar Kjartansson. I'm a visual artist, and here we are in the church of St Mary Magdalene in Tanworth-in-Arden. And here Sophie and Patrick and Sam, Alithia and Francesco are performing a song called Il Cielo in una Stanza by Gino Paoli. It's like a sort of a litany of love and longing and transformation of space that's going to take place here from the 25th of June to the 3rd of July. So it's going to be this beautiful ceremony that they're going to perform here for 5 hours a day, and they live across the street in the pub, above the pub, and walk over to the church and perform Il Cielo in una Stanza.